Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your login password for your CoinDCx account. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch/open a web browser, and then go to the URL box. Type in coinDCx.com and press enter on your keyboard. After you are signed into your CoinDCx account from the main homepage, go ahead and mouse over to your profile picture at the top right and click on Security. Once you open up the security interface, click the Change option right under the password. Changing your password will keep you from sending funds out of your account for 24 hours, but you'll still be able to add and use funds within your account within this period. Click the Change Password button, and on the next page, you will be able to create a new password for your account. Start off by entering your old password in the first text box. Now, enter the new password you are trying to update to, and then retype the password one more time in the next field. Finally, click on Submit, and you will be able to change your CoinDCx account's login password. So, that is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.